Oh, I am so hungry. Oh, I'm gonna eat something sweet. Ta-da! This is cake vending machine. Look, there are 5 different flavors. This vending machine is like a refrigerator, so it keeps cakes tasty. Today, I'm gonna get this strawberry sponge cake. It's 980 yen. Insert money and press the button. The cake comes with a spoon. It's beautiful. The can is filled with whipped cream. Wow! いただきます. Oh, this is really good. You should try this. If you feel like eating something sweet in Shibuya, you should get this. Bye bye.